In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Now the earth was formless and empty. Darkness was over the surface of the deep, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the waters. And God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. God saw the light was good, and he separated the light from the darkness. God called the light day. The darkness he called night. And there was evening and there was morning, the first day. And God said, "Let there be a vault between the waters to separate water from the water." So God made the vault and separated the water under the vault from the water above it, and it was so. God called the vault sky, and there was evening and there was morning. Second day, and God said, "Let the waters under the sky be gathered into one place. Let the dry grounds appear." And it was so. God called the dry ground land, and the gathered water he called seas. And God saw that it was good. And God said, "Let the land produce vegetation, seed-bearing plants, and trees on the land that bear fruit, with seed in it, according to their various kinds." And it was so. The land produced vegetation, plants bearing seed according to their kinds, and trees bearing fruit with seeds in it, according to the kinds. And God saw that it was good, and there was evening and there was morning, the third day. And God said, "Let there be lights in the vault of the sky, and separate the day from the night, and let them serve as signs to mark sacred times and days and years. Let them be lights in the vault of the sky to give light on the earth." It was so. God made two great lights, and the greater light to govern the day, and the lesser light to govern the night. He also made the stars. God set them in the vault of the sky to give light on the earth, to govern the day and the night, to separate light from the darkness. And God saw that it was good. There was evening, there was morning, in the fourth day. And God said, "Let the waters teem with living creatures. Let birds fly above the earth, across the vault of the sky." So God created the great creatures of the sea, and every living thing with which the water teems that moves in it, according to their kinds, every winged bird according to its kind. And God saw that it was good. God blessed them and said, "Be fruitful and increase in number, and fill the waters and the seas. Let the birds increase on the earth." And there was evening and there was morning, the fifth day. Then God said, "Let the land produce living creatures according to their kinds, and the livestock, the creatures that move along the ground, and the wild animals, each according to its kind." And it was so. God made the wild animals according to their kinds, livestock according to their kinds, and all the creatures that moved along the ground according to their kinds. God saw that it was good. And God said, "Let us make mankind in our image, in our likeness." So then he ruled over the fish in the sea, the birds in the sky, over the livestock and all the wild animals, over all the creatures that moved along the ground. So God created mankind in his own image. In the image of God he created them, male and female he created them. God blessed them and said to them, "Be fruitful and increase in numbers. Fill the earth and subdue it. Rule over the fish in the sea and the birds in the sky, over every living creature that moves on the ground." Then God said, "I give you every seed-bearing plant on the face of the whole earth, every tree that has fruit with seed in it. They will be yours for food, and to all the beasts of the earth, all the birds in the sky, and all the creatures that move along the ground, everything that has the breath of life in it. I give every green plant for good food." And it was so. God saw that he had made, and it was very good. And there was evening and there was morning, the sixth day. Thus the heavens and the earth completed all their vast array. By the seventh day God had finished the work he had been doing. So on the seventh day he rested from his work. And God blessed that seventh day and made it holy, because on it he rested from all the work of creation that he had done.